you trade your stop, then possibly you would have covered this much move, a 3.6 on just this one trade. Hey, what's up guys, what's poppin'? It's your boy XO, and in this video I will be showing you guys a really simple and very effective forex scalping trading strategy that you can use to grow a small account and has the potential to make you a millionaire. Yes, a millionaire, guys. So stick to the end of this video so you don't get destroyed, like I always say, because if you don't get the full details of this video, then you're probably going to get wrecked in the forex market, because this market is extremely brutal, guys. So stick to the end of this video, watch this video all the way through so you don't get destroyed. I keep saying this, all right? So this will be a very quick, easy, simple scalping strategy that you can learn, watch right now, and start trading it immediately, guys. But please do not trade this immediately. Back test the strategy and see if it works for you, and see if it's something you like to do, and steal it for free. It's absolutely free, guys. So I'll be showing you guys a really effective indicator, guys. This indicator is actually amazing. Like, if you get to understand and use it correctly, then it's pretty amazing. Like, this indicator is extremely good, and I don't see too many traders talking about this indicator on YouTube, so I decided to make a video showing you guys how to use this indicator. Alright, so before I continue this video, I just want to say that I looked at my stats and I saw that only a small percentage of people who watch my videos are actually subscribed. So if you end up liking this video, please make sure to subscribe. It's free, you can always unsubscribe, and don't forget to like and share this video to help this video rank in the YouTube algorithm. You never know, guys, this video could change someone's life. And if you have any video ideas you want me to make, drop it a comment and I will try my best to make that video. Alright guys, so as always, we want to understand the criteria of this strategy. Like, what is the rules and condition of this strategy? So first and first, let me change this Heikin to the main candlesticks. Alright guys, as you can see, this is the Japanese candlestick. So guys, we need just one indicator, guys. So guys, this is the indicator, but let me show you guys how I got the indicator. So you come to this section of this F icon, and you search for TDI, and you see this this TDI, the Traders Dynamic Index, and you click on the TDI, and here it is on your chart. So let me scale this up a little bit so it's clear. Okay guys, so the condition and criteria of this trading strategy is, so guys, let me explain what the TDI actually means, so guys, so that I can give you guys the reasons, the rules, and the entry, the stops and target. So guys, the bands, this purple band you see at this point, this up band and this up band, this red zone and this green zone, so these two lines are just clearly Bollinger Band, and the red line is the RSI line, and the green line is the moving average of the RSI. All right, so this is the Bollinger Band, this is the RSI, the red line is the RSI, and the green line is the moving average of the RSI. So the Bollinger Band is just basically applied to the RSI, and yeah, that is it. So the condition and the rules of the strategy is, so if the RSI is above 50, we are looking to take only buying trades, and if the RSI is below 50, then we are looking to take selling trades. So what do I mean by 50? Just come to this point and pick up this horizontal line, and you can see there's a line at the middle, there's a line in the middle of this indicator, guys. So you want to draw that line in the middle. As you can see, it's on the 50, and you draw it at that point. Let's change it to black so it's more visual. Okay, alright guys, so as you can see, for this setup, you can see the RSI and the moving average price, the average of the moving average of the RSI is below the 50, and it's below the yellow Bollinger Band. So we're clearly looking to take sell trades at this point. Alright, so let's take this 200 EMA out so we get to see the charts clearly. As you can see at this point, like I said, we want to see, I'm looking for a clear setup. So like I said, we want to see the price break above this Bollinger Band. That is criteria number one. So the first rule is the price must break above this, sorry guys, not the price, the RSI red line must break above this yellow Bollinger Band line. So after the break, we want to see, like, you can either wait for the market to break the 50 line too if you want to, but most times I usually don't even have the 50 line there. It's just for those people who want to take a more sniper entry. Like if you want to wait for more confluences, that is when you use this 50 line. But basically, to be honest guys, it's not necessary, so just take that out. Let me not just bore you guys with long concepts. And alright, so like I said, a breakout of this middle line of this RSI of this Bollinger Band, a breakout of this Bollinger Band yellow line of the egg, if the RSI breaks out, then we're looking to take a trade. And this is when the ATR, which is the average true range, comes in. So you want to take the ATR value of this candlestick that broke out. All right, so this is where the RSI broke out of the Bollinger Band line, the yellow line, and we want to get our trade at this point. So take the ATR of this candlestick and let's see what is the 1.5x the ATR, which is 31 times 1.5. So that is clearly a 46.5, which is approximately a 47 pip stop. So for this trade, we're using a 47 pip stop. Guys, please don't mind my voice. But guys, basically you can use the 50 line if you want to, but I usually don't care about the 50 line. It's not necessary guys, but if you want to add in some more confluences to the trade, and then you really need to use that 50 line. But for this video, I'll be using I will not be using the 50 line. So for your stops and target, like I said, use the ATR for your stops, and you can target a 1 to 1.5 or a 1 to 2 on your trade, or you can basically trade your stops on maybe move your stops to break even once you achieve a 1 to 1, and trade your stops. And if you trade your stop, then possibly you would have covered this much move, a 3.6 on just this one trade. But let's be real guys, let's be realistic. A 2 to 1 is good for a trade. So you can take 10 trades, you win 5, you lose 5, then you still make a profit. So this is trade number 1. So let's look for a selling trade. So let's say at this point we see, so guys, at this point we saw that the market broke out of the TDI. So what is the ATR of this candlestick? So 38 times 1.5. So 38 times 1.5. So a 57 pip stop. So let's get in this trade for a 57 pip stop. Yeah, oh my god, I can't find it. Okay, so for a 57 pip stop for a sell at this point, for a 57 pip stop. So guys, like I said, a 1 to 1.5 or a 1 to 2, or trail your stops, move your stops to break even once you achieve a 1 to 1. So this was a win too, so 2 wins. And let me see if we can take just one more trade. And you can see the RSI broke the Bollinger Band here, and basically we're waiting for just one thing. Nothing actually. We are waiting for anything guys. Jump in the trade once you see the breakout, except you want to add in some more confluences by adding the 50 line like I said, but that's not necessary. So let's take this trade. So what is the ATR of this candlestick, which is 42? So 42 times 1.5 is obviously a 63 pip stop. I'm not that good at math guys, that was draining. Right, so for a 63 pip stop at this point, and like I said, a 1 to 1, move your stops to break even, or a 1 to 1.5, or a 1 to 2. So let's see if this trade was a win. 1 to 2. So let's see. Okay, so guys, it looks like we lost this trade. So we lost this trade. We won 2, we lost 1. Alright, like I always say, you need to be careful trading this strategy. So basically go back and back test the strategy and see if it works. This is just some like basic trading strategy with indicators guys. There's a way to use this TDI that I'll be doing a video very soon on. that is much more effective than this strategy. So if you want to trade with me live every single day, click the link in the description to join my free VIP Telegram group. It's free. You can always unsubscribe. Alright guys, so if you found value in this video, please make sure to subscribe, like, share, and leave a comment on what video you want to see next, and I will try my best to make it. Like I said, you never know guys, this video could change someone's life. I'll see you guys in the next video. It's your boy XO, and I'm signing out. Stay XO.